Hi mga ka-Sheiy! Welcome to my YouTube channel! And for today's video, meron akong discover na isang site na legit at talagang pagkakakitaan mo. So, let's start! Ang site na ito ay no need referrals bago ka makapag-payout. No need na mag-invite para marami ang iyong pera na mai-withdraw. Ang site na tinutukoy ko ay ang Mining.ph. Ilalagay ko sa description box ang link at referral code ko upang sa pag-sign up mo lang ay meron ka ng tumataginting na 150 pesos. At kung ayaw mo naman itong gamitin, okay lang. Kasi malakihan naman ang kitaan dito. Yung link na nasa ibaba upang madirect kayo sa site at hindi na kayo mahirapan sa pag-search. So, without further ado, let's start! Guys, nandito na tayo sa site ng Mining.ph. So, if bago ka pa lang sa Mining.ph, you need to sign up. Sign up here. Ito ang sinasabi ko kanina guys, na kailangan nyong gamitin yung referral code ko upang makakuha kayo ng 150 pesos. So, ako, hindi ko na kailangan na mag-sign up kasi meron na akong account. So, I'll go click login. A few moments later.
Oh, no.
So, nakalagin na tayo. There are some questions and answers upang mag-guide ka kung ano ang gagawin mo. So, how can I withdraw my cash? You need to reach the minimum withdrawal amount of 500. You can then withdraw via Palawan Express, BDO, or BPI. So, at kung nag-hesitate ka kung legit ba ito o hindi, try nyo mag-search ng other video sa YouTube kung nakapag-live withdrawal ba sila o hindi. But some of them ay nakita ko na nakapag-withdraw sila ng 1,000 plus, 500 plus, so on and so forth. So the second question, how can I withdraw my XMR? Once you reach 0.003 XMR, you can click the withdraw XMR button below and you will ask to fill up a withdrawal request form. So, hindi ko naintindihan. How can I convert my XMR to PHP? Philippine Pesos.
What? What the fuck?
Once you reach 0.1 XMR, you can click the Convert XMR to PHP button below to transfer your XMR balance to your Philippine balance, PHP balance. So, yung balance ko po is 154 pesos dahil yung isang YouTuber, binigay niya yung referral code niya na nasa description box. So, yun ang ginamit ko upang merong 150 pesos yung balance ko. Then, yung 4 pesos naman dahil dun sa mining. So, start muna tayo sa pag-answer ng survey. Click survey. Hala, ang togol. There are also some questions. So, kailangan nating basahin para mag-guide tayo kung ano ang dapat nating gawin. Why do I not have any survey offers? There are limited survey offers on Mining.ph and there are times when you will not get a survey. But don't worry, we'll surely get an offer soon. The number of survey offers depends on the current demand of our clients. Those clients are the ones who pay Mining.ph to conduct their surveys. and the participants will earn a commission every time you complete a survey. Your offers are updated over 24 hours from the time you joined Mining PH. Make sure to check them regularly before they expire. Second question, when will survey offers expire? If you don't answer a survey within 48 hours from the time it was offered, there is a chance that the offer might expire. How many offers will I get in a day? It varies between 0 to 20 surveys per day. It depends on the current demand of the clients of Mining PH. English na English, no? Para ang laki naman ng binabayad nila. So, click the survey in the box below. So, cash or ticket reward, 2 pesos, tapos 1 ticket. So, answer muna tayo ha. Female. Yes. Do you play Mobile Legends? Yes. Do you play PUBG? No. Do you play Dota? Yes. Do you play Farmville? No. Do you play Candy Crush? Yes. Do you play League of Leagues? No. League of Leagues. League of Legends. Do you play poker? Yes. Do you play Clash of Clans? No. Click submit. So, ganun lang ka-easy guys. Meron pa tayong isang survey na sasagutan. So, tignan natin kung okay, so yun lang pala. Isa. Don't worry guys, there is another way to earn from this site. Here is Money Machine. So, loading agad siya. Ang sakal. Play the Money Machine. Try your luck and get a chance to win up to 500 in cash. How to play? You need 3 tickets to play the Money Machine. Check your e-wallet to see your available tickets. Answer more surveys to earn tickets. Click the spin button to start the machine. You will get a chance to win 5 pesos, 10 pesos load, 20 pesos, 50 pesos, 100 pesos, 200 pesos in the 500 jackpot prize. 3. All cash prizes will automatically be deposited as cash to your e-wallet. Type your phone number under the Money Machine if you win the load reward. So, isi-spin na natin. 100! 5! So, meron akong 5 pesos. Tignan natin sa e-wallet ko, nag-reflect ba talaga? So guys, nandito na tayo sa e-wallet. Tignan natin kung nag-reflect. So, nag-reflect talaga siya guys. Naging 161 pesos yung cash ko. So, punta naman tayo sa mining. So, meron na naman silang question and answers para mag-guide ka ulit. Please read first. How do I start mining? We made mining easier so anyone can use it. Your mining starts automatically as soon as you open the miner tool. Why is mining not starting? You can try one of these options. 1. Allow browser cookies and disable your ad blocks. Try to use different browser. What is hashes? Hashes is a unit of treasure used to measure the amount of work done by your device. The more total hashes you have, the more XMR you earn. Is mining going to damage my device? No, it will not. But since it is using its computing power, you might notice your device to be slower or little lag. Remember that you can simply close this page if you want to stop mining. Your earnings are automatically saved in your e-wallet. How can I withdraw my XMR? You can withdraw your XMR when you reach 0.003 XMR or you can wait until you get 0.1 XMR. And you will be given the option to convert to PHP. If converted to PHP, your XMR will be added to your PHP balance. If you can withdraw, then withdraw your whole PHP amount. So, start mining. Miner tool. What is hashes? Hashes is a unit of measure used to measure the amount of work done by your device. The more total hashes you have, the more XMR you earn. So, the more hashes, this is total hashes. So, kung hindi mo pa natanggap yung hashes mo o XMR mo sa e-wallet mo, wait ka lang ng few minutes dahil magre-reflect yan sa e-wallet mo. So, kailangan mag-hashes ka, mag-collect ka ng hashes at least 5 to 10 minutes para yung earnings mo ay ma-reflect talaga sa e-wallet mo. Kung may trabaho ka, naglalaba ka, o nagpuhugas ng plato, you can let your phone na mag-collect ng hashes upang makapag-collect siya ng maraming XMR at ma-convert ng piso. At malaki yung amount na mako-convert mo into Philippine money. So, that's all for today's video. Sana nakatulong ako. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to click the notification bell down below para ma-update ka sa mga upcoming videos ko on how to make money online. See you next video. Bye!
Let me take you dancing
like da 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 da